Welcome, this is Rajeev Darji from Direct Global Solution. Today, 28th of Feb 2013. We will start with Forex market. Forex Euro USD is trading at the level of 1.3150, 1.3120 range, and on lower side, recent support has been tested at the level of 1.3100. If sustained trading is seen below 1.3100, I am expecting Euro to test the level of 1.3080 to 1.3050. Immediate support at 1.3050 can be tested. On crossover of the higher level of 1.3160, will say that the market has given a short-term bottom and the market is going to continue its uptrend, where market may touch the level of 1.3190 to 1.3250 levels on higher side. But till the time market is below the level of Euro USD is below the level of 1.3160, some slight correction can be seen below 1.3100 to test the lower support levels. Coming to Great Britain Pound is trading at the level of 1.5158 levels. From past few days trading session, it has been in a range of 1.5100 as a support level and 1.180 as a resistance level. So it is consolidating in a slight range after a gap down opening. I'm expecting today to test the level of 1.5110 to 1.5080 level on the lower side, where on higher side I'm expecting a resistance level of 1.5210. Till the time 1.5210 is holding, I'm expecting selling pressure to continue with the lower levels of 1.5110 to 1.5080 levels on lower side. Coming to USD Japanese Yen, Japanese Yen has been taking a support level at the level of 90.80, 90.85 as a support level. It is getting a bouncing from this support level and closing is seen at the level of 92 above. Today it is trading at 92.050 and 92.10 levels. Expected the selling to continue on lower side, where on higher side 92.25, 92.30 will be the expected stop loss, and can go for a short in the market where 91.8 to 91.2 can be tested immediately on lower side, and sustain trading below 90. I'm at 90.8. I'm expecting 90.5 to 90.2 can also be tested on lower level. So expected to continue its downtrend in USD Japanese Yen for the target of 91.2 immediately, and further below 91. I'm expecting 90.5 to 90.2 on lower side. This is for the currency. Coming to the bullions, gold is trading at the level of 1591. On lower side, I'm expecting a support of 1588 on lower side, and further trading below 1588, 1582 and 1575 can be tested on lower side in near to medium term. I'm expecting a resistance of 1605 on higher side, and any bounce at the level of 1595, 1597 will be the range and can go for a short into the market. Market has already tested the higher level of 1602, failing to cross the level of 1605, and further second resistance is seen at the level of 1615. But till the time it is below 1605, one can go for a short into the market. Market may test the level of 1592 as a support as trading at, and below 1588 I'm expecting 1582 to be tested immediately. So one can go for a selling from current level also with the targets of 1582 to 1575 levels on lower side. Coming to silver on a daily chart, which was in an up move from a couple of days with the support of $28, has bounced back to touch the level of 29.5. Yesterday, market has given all its reversal with the support level of closing was seen at 28.98. Market is trading at the yesterday's closing level only, but market is expected to continue its downtrend rally, where I'm expecting 28.2 to be tested on lower side as a first support, and sustain below 28. Further target of 27.5 to 26.8 can be tested on lower side. On higher side, one should maintain a stop loss of 29.5, which was recent high, few points above recent high, and one can go for a short into the market. Like currently it is trading at 28.9, can go for a short into the market with the lower level targets of 28.2 immediately, and further 27.5 on lower side. Coming to Brent crude oil, crude oil is trading at $112. Market, which has corrected from the level of 118, has tested the support level of 111.5 and is getting into the range. Today it has given a gap up opening after previous day's closing at the level of 111.86, and the opening was seen at the level of 112.14. So expected to give us some range bound move, but as the inventory is expected to come positive, I'm looking further selling pressure to continue in crude oil, where on lower side I'm expecting the target of 111 as the first support, and then 109.505 can be the next target on lower side in medium term. Intraday, one can maintain a stop loss of 112.5, can go for a short at current level of 112.05 with a target of 111.6, 111.10 as a first second target. So crude oil is expected to continue its downside rally, where I'm expecting further selling pressure to continue. That's from my side. Have a nice trading session. Thank you.